Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Android apps on your computer, PC or laptop. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, the first step is to download and install an Android emulator on your PC or laptop. And in case you didn't know, an Android emulator is a software that allows you to download, install, and run mobile apps on a computer. There are a number of Android emulators out there, but I recommend the BlueStacks. After installing BlueStacks on your computer, you will have a platform like App Store where you can download and install your favorite apps. But you will need to log in using your Google account to access the Play Store and the apps. This platform will also allow you to install apps that are not available in the Play Store using their APKs. If you are into gaming, then BlueStacks will work pretty well for you. Note: your PC or laptop should have a good physical memory and updated graphics card to successfully install BlueStacks. So this is like everything for this video, and if you like this video, do me a favor by clicking the like button below and subscribing to this channel for more of these exciting videos.